everyone, and welcome to Rings Motor TV. Today I will show you how to use a choke on a carburetor engine bike, in this case my GPZ900R. So, on my bike you will find the choke right there. This is it. And this is an adjustable choke, so when you want to start it, you'll push that down. And your bike is choked, and that means that it will get more fuel than air, and that's good for the motorcycle when it's cold. So just turn the key, make sure it's on run, and then push the button. And then slowly push your choke up. It's gonna be on choke for a while, like 20 seconds, and then we'll turn off the choke. And then it should run by itself. And that's just about it for today, and thanks for watching.